Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nick, and today I've got something super exciting to share with you. If you have ever struggled with playing games on your device because of low RAM, limited storage space, or just the frustration of games slowing down your phone, this video is for you. I know how annoying it can be when our games take forever to load or even cause your phone to hang. Many of your phone doesn't have enough storage space or the RAM isn't sufficient to handle those heavy games, or perhaps downloading and installing games takes forever and it just ends up with making your phone laggy and slow. But what if I told you there's a way to play tons of awesome games without downloading or installing anything? Yep, you heard that right. Now, no more worrying about storage space or your phone hanging every time you want to play a game. Let me introduce you to this amazing website called Pokey. This site has a massive collection of games from action and adventure to puzzle and strategy games. And the best part, you can play directly from your mobile browser or even from your PC without having to install a single thing. It's perfect for those who love gaming but hate dealing with storage or performance issues. Alright, let's dive in and take a look how it works. As you can see, it's super clean and easy to navigate. Look at all these cool games, and the best part, you just click and play. No downloads, no install, nothing. Let's try one out. See how quickly that loaded. The gameplay is smooth and the graphics are pretty impressive considering it's all running directly from your browser, and it's just not limited to mobile phone. You can access this website from your PC's web browser too. So whatever you are on the go or chilling at home, your favorite games are just a click away. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you found this helpful and are as excited as I am about this awesome way to play games hassle-free. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to channel for more cool tips and tricks like this. Also, let me know in the comments which game you were excited to try out first. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gaming!